Hi, good morning, everybody. Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy here with another Lagard safe lock that needs to be decoded. This one actually came out of Texas, and the guy had a safe. He couldn't get it open. He forgot the combination, so he mailed it down to me. And now what we're going to do is use the Lockmasters little black box to go ahead and decode this lock. So this is the Lagard model 4200, and we're going to go ahead. We have it hooked up. We have the little black box Lagard module. I had a cord that we could use. He didn't send me the keypad or the cord, so we're just going to go ahead and find out what the lock is. We're going to go ahead and set it off. It's acquiring the data right now, so we shall see. There it goes, and there it is, reading out all the billions of combinations that it is, to see what we're going to do. So we're going to let this thing run. It takes up to about 7 to 10 minutes to run through the billion combinations, and then we will find out. I'll come back live in just a short period of time. All right, so here we go. It has found it after about 10 minutes. There's our code. We're ready to dial it. The combination 209254. Tap the screen. Let's tap the screen. It's now doing it. It's dialing it. And the lock should be open. And it's not. Nope. There it is. There it is. Okay, so now let's go ahead and hit the mile again. There it is. Lock is open. Lock is backed up. Okay, so there we have it. There it is. All right, so we're good to go. There's your combination. This lock is completed. All we have to do now is shut this off. We'll now go ahead and reboot it. As you can see, it comes back on. Since they didn't send me the dial, we're going to do is the manual dial off of the little black box here. 28925. Whoop. Do this again. 28925. There it is. And that should do it. There you go. All right, so we have it all set. Pick up that phone. If you have a lock, you need a decode, call me, 561-693-8636. Thank you for watching.